This is the Google Home Mini. It's the smallest speaker by Google. In comparison to the other one, the Google Home, so in comparison to the other device, it weighs about 248 grams. Now, similar to the Google Home, the Home Mini has a lot of similar features. Among them being, you can use this device to hear your music. You can use this device to ask simple questions like, what's the weather like outside? All you have to do is say, okay Google, what's the weather like outside?
Currently in Vancouver, it's 8 degrees with showers. Today, there'll be showers with a forecasted high of 8 and a low of 8.
Now with this speaker, since it's a smart speaker, you can even ask updates on your local sports team. For example, okay Google, who won the Super Bowl?
The Super Bowl was won by the Philadelphia Eagles. Would you like to hear more?
Yes.
On the website usatoday.com, they say, Eagles dethrone Tom Brady, Patriots for first Super Bowl title in stunner. Minneapolis, the Philadelphia Eagles won Super Bowl 52 over the New England Patriots 41-33 Sunday night at US Bank Stadium.
Now apart from asking about the news or the local weather, you can even ask the speaker to do everyday tasks, such as, okay Google, can you set up a meeting next Wednesday for me?
What's the title of the event?
I want to get pizza.
At what time?
9 a.m.
Sure, get pizza on the 14th of February at 9 a.m. Do you want to save this?
Yes, please.
Alright, I saved your event.
Although it's a simple speaker, it is quite powerful to what's available on the market. It competes with the Amazon Alexa Dot, as well as other smart speakers. Now this speaker comes in 3 different colors: chalk, charcoal, and coral. To connect this speaker to your phone and have it paired with your home, all you have to do is first connect it to a power outlet, then make sure your phone has Bluetooth turned on, and it's pretty simple, the steps afterwards. Open up the Google Home app and then just follow the steps. In terms of connectivity, the speaker has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The speaker only has one port, and that's the micro USB port, which is used to power on the speaker. At the back, what you have is the microphone on and off switch. So in terms of the music and applications that are compatible with the Google Home Mini right now are Spotify, Google Home Music, and TuneIn. The audio quality is really good on the speaker too. Even though it's really small, I'm super surprised that it produces clear audio. Okay Google. So that's another great feature that I love about this speaker, is the fact that even if there's music playing, you can still say okay Google and it will listen to you. For the size of the speaker, the Google Home Mini produces a clear and crisp audio. Now apart from using this device to listen to your music or ask simple questions, this device is also able to control your home if you have any smart home devices such as the Nest thermostats, or if you have any Philips smart lights. For example, even though I don't have the Nest thermostat, you can ask simple commands like, okay Google, can you turn up the heat please?
It looks like that device hasn't been set up yet. Just open the Google Home app and go to Home Control to add a device.
Another great feature I love about this device is you can use your Google Chromecast to cast any movies or TV shows onto your TV, but you can use this speaker as the audio source. So you don't need to pick up your call, you can do hands-free calling from the speaker, and you can receive phone calls from the speaker. A couple of cool things I love about the speaker is the fact that this speaker is able to do your everyday conversions such as, okay Google, how many milliliters are in a cup?
1 US customary cup equals 236.588 milliliters.
Okay Google, how long should a chicken be cooked in the oven?
On the website rachelratio.com, they say, to bake bone and skin on chicken thighs, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and roast to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, about 35 to 40 minutes. To read more, look for the link in your Google Home app.
That is absolutely amazing. And if you're ever cooking, you can also use the speaker to set up a quick timer. Okay Google, set up a 5-second timer.
Sure, 5 seconds, and here we go.
Now what's going to happen when it's over, and now since this is a Google device, you can even ask traffic information, such as, okay Google, how long will it take for me to get from here to Whistler?
By car, the trip to Whistler is 1 hour and 45 minutes with light traffic. You can see the full directions on your phone.
Okay Google, what's a nearby coffee place to me?
I found a few places within 600 meters. The first one is Small Victory Bakery at 1088 Homer Street in Vancouver. The second one is JJ Bean Coffee Roasters at 402 Davie Street in Vancouver. The third one is Shue Italian Bakery Cafe at 126 Davie Street in Vancouver.
Another thing that I've noticed about the speaker is, if you're playing music on really loud volume, the sound gets distorted. In comparison to the Google Home, the Mini is a great product for somebody who lives in an apartment or dorm room or is buying this for their office. If you're buying it for a house, I would recommend going for the Google Home. And if you're buying it for like an outdoor purposes or even bigger area, then get the Google Home Max. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit that like button and leave a comment down below.